Okay, I know it's been about 3 months since I last did a video about this BMW that I'm trying to salvage, fix. As you know, it had some major engine problems, as well as the steering wheel steering, power steering was locked up. Okay, so ever since then, it's been 3 months, yes. So since that time, I've been trying to pull out the solenoid valves that are somewhere down here. You can't really see it, but trust me, they're there. Okay, I just turned on the flash, so it's easy to see. So, but I couldn't get the solenoid valves out. I guess I'm gonna have to just consult some BMW forums and such, because none of the YouTube videos I've seen was any help for that. I was gonna pull out the solenoid valve, see if they had want to check if their electrical connections in there was doing good. The reason why I was working with solenoid valves is because I did a OBD2 scan inside the cabin area, and it was showing some codes that says crankshaft retard, right? A and B, etc. That's probably what's causing the engine from turning properly. But okay, so and since then I've also I'm also thinking of trying to maybe check the ignition coils and the spark plugs that are inside there. Of course there's 60s, right? And well, I haven't gotten to that yet. But in those 3 months, of course, I was a little busy with Christmas break, New Year's, and then Chinese New Year's. It was like 2 or 3 weeks worth of fake holidays that was going on. So I was kind of visiting family and friends, etc. But ever since then, I've also ordered a mid-rise car lift, which you will see here is still in this crate. I don't know. It's maybe just kind of take a look at it from the inside. Yeah, you can see this crate. This mid-rise lift will lift vehicles up to about 2,700 kilograms, or about 5,500 pounds capacity, up to a height of 4 feet. Now this lift itself weighs about 900 pounds, and I am trying to get it underneath my BMW here. Well, at least get it into my garage, at least, so I can use it for this car as well as my Lexus. Now, trying to do that alone is actually a big job. So guess what? I rented this blue piece of equipment here. This is engine hoist lift. Now, as you can see this chain and the eye there. I have a bunch of chains and ratchet straps I'm gonna use in conjunction with this in order to move this car lift into my garage. Yeah, when the car lift came, I tried to ask the guy to put it into my garage for me. Unfortunately, when I try to turn on this car and try to move it out of the garage, I forgot that I had this nut was loosened up, right? And because it's loosened up, when I turn the car on and try to move it, a bunch of engine oil spilled out, So I had to clean up the mess. You can see all this mess around the floor here. So yeah, and because of the engine oil spill, now I'm just gonna So I just decided to give this car an oil change. First, well, because it needed an oil change. The oil is dirty, right? And plus the oil is low once that spillage came out. It was like probably 2/3 of it was gone. So I gave it an oil change, and I've already unscrewed the drain plug down here. Let me just crawl under here just to show you where the drain plug is. All right. The drain plug is this guy right here. Oh my God, it didn't fully drain out. I thought it did. Now it's got a little bit of spill right here. But yeah, okay, I gotta get that tray back in here and also clean this stupid little spill right there up. Okay. So we got the drain plug out. We also took out the oil filter. So this is the oil filter. This is a new one. This is the oil filter cap that just sits right here. I don't know, there's a lot of oil in here. I gotta take a spoon and scoop this crap up. So, got this new engine oil filter. The old engine filter, oil filter is here. Yeah. So we're gonna finish up this oil change, and yeah, next video I will show you how I'm gonna get this 900-pound car lift into my garage by myself. I'll try to do it. I'll try to see if I can do that. We're gonna make it happen. All right. Catch you on the next video.